Y bienvenidos to the Interactive Task Cards tutorials. In this video, we will be practicing how to unscramble tiles or letters to create a word. You will see that most questions with this task card topic will have extra letters. So your job is to move the letters and then put the letters you don't need into the trash can below. In this case, we are being asked to spell a word. It is a word that has a feminine ending. So we are going to move the letters we need into a row. There may be some that are unneeded or in the way that we might need to move before we are able to place the letters. And then what we do is we just place them into la basura. Sometimes you will see they'll stay on top of this image rather than behind it. Either way is fine to get the letters you need out of your way. You will see most of the time these are grouped. If you click on the wrong thing, just use the undo button and you'll be able to move both pieces simultaneously.